Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's important for the growth of a YouTuber, so that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is a really great day, and I really have to thank my brother hands down, because he got up really early and he did something that I thought was so special. He went to Whole Foods first thing in the morning to see if he can grab some of these fantastic bags that happen once a year, and it happens in March. And we saw in our flyers that it was happening, and he went really early in the morning to see what he can do, and he was able to not only pick up the 2 bags that are completely different, he was also able, like he did last year, pick up that 3rd where we were able to do a giveaway on the channel for a complete bag of this. Whole Foods does this beauty bag, and they do all these beauty specials. I'll read to you everything about it, then I'll open up the bag so you'll be able to see what is in each one. It is a fantastic deal. It's all clean beauty. It's something, like I said, that they do once a year. So let's get started so I can share everything with you. So the little bit of information that I have is this year they're priced at $25. Last year I think they were $20, and they have a value of over $120. They're saying shoppers will be able to select either the Glow and Go or the Bright Ideas bag, which features skin-loving products packed with ingredients like vitamin C that support glowing skin, according to Whole Foods. Each curated assortment will be packed in a Queen Alafia cosmetic bag that is hand-printed by the artisans in Tongo, West Africa, and both bags will be limited in quantities. How can you get one of these Whole Food bags? It says Whole Foods Market says the bags will be available in store only, and you might want to call your local store to confirm that they have the bags at the time that they are available, which is starting today. So it says some of the stores may have put them out early, but some also may keep them in an area so that nobody has access to it before the start date, which is today. So it says this week until the 22nd, there is, in addition to the bags, you can also save 25% off on any facial and skincare, hair care, cosmetics, nail polish, perfume, and beauty accessories. Also, if you're an Amazon customer, you also will receive an additional 10%, but not on the bags. All right? Okay, so I'm going to start with the one that he was able to only get one of, and that is this one here, and it is called the Glow and Go. And this year they have this little sleeve that's on here that shows you everything that's going to be in the bag, where before it was always a mystery. They had nothing. It was always sealed, completely closed. So I'm going to keep this in front of me so that we can see all the items that are in here, because there is no information on the bags or in the bags. So what I did was, as you know on my channel, what I do is I take a picture prior to for Instagram, so that I'm able to pull everything out and make sure everything that should be in the bag is in the bag. But I didn't double check with these because they also had a big sign that said it may vary based on everything that's going on in the world right now. That makes a lot of sense. So we're going to pull it out and just see what we have here. So the bag is a huge bag. There are always beautiful bags, and like they said, this is made by artisans, and it makes each bag really, really unique. But there is this greenish blue bag, as well as another bag, which I'll show you in a sec. So this one here is the full bag. It is completely lined. It is a fantastic, fantastic bag. And this is, like I said, the first one here. And this one, they said, is called the Glow and Go. So starting with this one, the first item that's in here is from this Dr. Huss Chaka. That is the name up there. And it says it's a balancing day lotion that helps balance oil, combination skin, reduce the appearance of blemishes. That's the first item. The next item here, there should be 2. There is this from 365, which is the Whole Foods brand. This is their Moisture and Shine Shampoo in lavender with hemp seed and argan oils, and we have the shampoo and the conditioner. The next item in here is from Derma E, and this is their Essentials Gentle Enzyme Peel. That is exotic fruit enzymes, licorice root, and milk thistle. It says polish and evens your skin, and that is this item here. The next one is a sheet mask from MAGNIFIER, and this is the Radically Rejuvenating Under Eye Hydrogels in this one. Then we have, which I love these, this is from Weleda. This is the Skin Food Lip Butter. It is a plant oil blend that hydrates your lips, and the little guy is in here. Then we have another little item here that says it is from the brand called Karuna, K-R-U-N-A, and this one says it is called Lights Out Cream. It has peptides, and that is what this item is here. The next item in here is from Michelle. It is a Strengthening Pumpkin Renew Cream. It has antioxidant-rich fruits for an unsurpassed moisturization. That is that item here. Next we have from MAGNIFIER. This is such a great product. And this one is the Vitamin C Serum, and that is this item here. Then we have the from the Althea, the Authentic African Black Soap, and this is a scalp care shampoo. And then we have a big tube here, and this is from Pacifica. This is the Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. It's saying it will even out and exfoliate and cleanse, and it has AHA and vitamin C and vanilla, as well as it being sulfate free. And then the last item in this bag is also from MAGNIFIER, and is the Seriously Soothing Jelly Milk Makeup Remover. Oh, really fantastic, fantastic product. So I'm gonna drop everything back into this bag, and then I'm gonna open up the second bag, which is the one that he was able to get 2 of. And it is so exciting that he was able to do this, because it is so hard. A lot of times they limit you to 1 bag, let alone getting 1 of each. But to be able to get all 3 is just like so great. All right, so this is, I'll show you the one, this is the one that you guys are gonna be getting. This is the one that's completely sealed here. And then we have the one that we've already taken it off for the pictures, and this one is called Bright Ideas. And this is everything that's in there. So let's just open this up, and we will take it from here. So let me just unload everything from in here. And this is so exciting because we were able to do this last year as well. This, I love when we can do stuff like this. So this is the gorgeous, gorgeous bag this time around. And like I said, this is the exact bag that you're gonna be getting, that we have the second one in the giveaway. So again, it's that fully lined bag with the full zipper. It is such a big bag. It is such a fantastic bag on its own. So starting with the first item in this bag, it says it is called the Mineral Fusion Making Beauty Healthy. It is a nail polish remover. It is non-drying, and that is the first item here. I'm just gonna drop them back in the bag. And then the next item in here is from this brand called Triology, and this is the Ultra Hydrating Face Cream, and that is this item here. Then we have an item from Burt's Bee. It is their facial cleanser, that's for sensitive skin. Then this bag has also, this one has the Mad Hippie but in vitamin A. The other bag had vitamin C. So that's that here. This, we also have a shampoo and conditioner, and is from the Seaweed brand. I heard great things about this. It is called the Seaweed Bath Company. This one is a hydrating balancing conditioner with argan oil and aloe. And the shampoo is a hydrating balancing shampoo also with the argan oil and aloe. And those are those 2 guys here. And then the next item in here is from MAGNIFIER, but it is also a different item. It is the Ultra Hydrating Plant Ceramide Daily Facial Lotion. Then we have another item in here. It is called Evan Healy. It is a serum. And let's see what this little guy looks like in here. This one's the only one that came in a box, and that is what this guy looks like here. All right. Then we have, looks like this might be one duplicate item in here. Yeah, this is the Authentic African Black Soap. This is the Scalp Care Shampoo. So I think we got that in the other bag. Then we have this, which is from MAGNIFIER, and this is the Radically Rejuvenating Niacinamide Serum. I've never seen one like this. Is this a roller ball? Yeah, it's a roller ball. Look how, this is so exciting. All right, that is that. And then this one here is from Bar. It is a solid shampoo and conditioner. It says, look, no plastic, just minis of our shampoo and conditioner with coconut oil, rice proteins that will hydrate and nourish. Goodbye, plastics. Hello, Bar. That's what this looks like here. Let's see what this is. Oh, wow. It's like little bars of soap, and one has an S on it and one has a C. So it's shampoo and conditioner in little bars. I've never seen anything like this. This is from this brand called Bar. Wow. Okay. And then the next item in here is a sheet mask from Face Tory. This is Be Bright Be You. That is this one here. Then we have this other mask that is from Andalou Naturals. It's an instant brightening and tightening. It's a hydro serum facial mask. And then the last one in here looks really fancy. This is from Pacifica. It is 100% vegan and cruelty free. It says leave pretty anti-puffy eye patches for puffy under eyes and dark circles. It has blue tansy, linden leaf, and kelp. Look how beautiful this packaging is. Is that not gorgeous? So those are the 3 masks. So that's everything that is in this second bag. And like I said, this is the one that we're going to do the giveaway on, that I have here, the second one that's all sealed up. So my giveaways are very easy on the channel, and it's my way of being able to share and give back. This is such an exciting time because literally a very short period of time ago, we celebrated the 3,000 subscribers. We're just this shy from what I saw last night to be at already 3,500, which is crazy. So this is almost like a double, celebration. It's hitting that number, which to me is fantastic, as well as being able to share one of these Whole Foods bags, because I know, first of all, they're hard to get, and number 2, not everyone has a Whole Foods around them. So when we're able to do something like this, it is such a treat for us, and I know for you guys as well. My rules for my giveaways are always in the description box down below when we do it, but I will do a small little recap. But anything that I forget to tell, please make sure you read it in the description box down below. All right, this is open for US only. You have to be a subscriber to the channel, as well as the thumbs up. You have to mark in the comments a couple of things. The first thing is that you want to be entered, because I don't want the people that don't want this to not still leave a comment, because as you know, comments are my lifeline to you guys. So I thank you for that. But in the comment, it is really important that you also give me your Instagram number, your name of Instagram. As with the Instagram, do not put the @ and don't mark that it is your Instagram name. For some reason, on the last couple of giveaways, some of the comments weren't coming through, but we're able to catch them, and I'll tell you how we do it. So this is how we're able to catch it. So you leave a comment that you want to be entered. You follow on Instagram True Wants with the number 2, as well as the company I have with my brother, because if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be doing this giveaway. So you have to also follow Improving Lifestyles. Inside your comment that you leave here under this video, you simply say that you want to be entered. You could mention, the Whole Foods beauty bag, and then leave your Instagram name. If your Instagram name is the same, just write same, so that I know that it's the same name and we don't have to worry about it. However, do not leave that little the @ or write Instagram or anything Instagram. For some reason that gets flagged, and YouTube doesn't like to help promote Instagram because it's Google on the YouTube platform. How we catch it is on Instagram, you are going to leave a comment under today's video that it'll be a picture with the actual bags. And under that one, you will mention, please, I follow you on YouTube. This is my YouTube name. So I'm able to do that cross check and make sure that the YouTube name and the Instagram name, because a lot of you guys don't have the same name, that I can put it together. We caught a lot, and I think actually the winner that won my last giveaway was one that we had to constantly check to make sure that their name showed up, because the names that we go through are the ones on YouTube. So when that doesn't show up, you won't show up in the feed to be able to be picked. So I want to make sure that everyone has an equal chance. So sometimes it took 2 and 3 times for the comment to show up, but we work together to get that done. I want to make sure that everybody has the opportunity. It's a lot of extra work for me, but I want, when I have a giveaway, that I'm able to share with you guys. When we choose the winner will be contacted directly through their comment down here, which means you'll get an email from the YouTube. But also what I do is I contact you through Instagram directly. So I will contact you directly, and then we finalize everything in an email. So I'm able to catch everything, and I have not had any issues where the person who won was the person who received the products. So I want to make sure to be able to continue to do it this way, so that we're able to make sure those scammers that are out there aren't taking away from you guys. Also, I want to make really clear, because I saw this on a lot of other people that were doing giveaways, that I'm not on WhatsApp, I'm not on anything. Everything is going to be directly through the comments here under this video, and then I will be direct messaging you through your comment on Instagram, and then I will finalize everything in an email, and we're going to have it so that we can check all the private information that you're going to leave through direct message and the email, and when those match up, then the parcel will go out. Like I said, we have done a lot of giveaways and we haven't had any issues, but times are changing and it's getting harder and harder for channels to do giveaways because of a lot of these scammers and the WhatsApp and asking for money. There's no money involved here. This is our gift to you guys, and we want to be able to share. And when it's something like this that a lot of people don't have access to, and I'm able to do this, this is everything and more to me. So once again, good luck to everybody who wants to be able to be part of the giveaway, but also to everybody who wants to know about this Whole Foods. It started today and they're available, and there's, like I said, there's the 2 bags. There's the one that is called the Glow and Go, which is the first bag that we went through, and then the one that is called Bright Ideas, and that's the second bag that we went to, and that's the one that we have a second one of for the giveaway. And I thought it was really smart of him to choose the pink bag as the second bag if he had the option to. So once again, don't forget to mark in the comments thanking my brother, saying, brothers are fantastic, would be a great comment down there. But it is, I'm in business with him here, and it is so thoughtful. I can't even tell you, I've been smiling all morning that he came in with these Whole Foods bags, and it was a fantastic morning, and now it will be one for you guys as well. And that's it for today, guys. So good luck to everybody who wants to enter. Don't forget to read the rules in the description box down below. And like I said, I will help you through it because your account has to be public. If you're not public, I have a really quick video that helps you with that as well. I will make sure that I will do everything from my side to make sure that if you want to be entered, that you will be. All right? Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.